What's up, guys? What's good? Welcome to the channel, Big FX, and here you are welcome to educational, right? Knowledgeable, right? Wisdom here at the Big FX channel, right? Sorry, guys, if I'm doing too much, but yeah, it's the fact, right? Yeah, we give quality and solid content, right? So, welcome once again. If you're new here to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, right? Hit that subscribe button, guys. Yeah, as you already know, right? I break down trades before, or what made me enter the trade, right? What I was looking at my confirmation before I entered the trade, right? If there was any trade that was missed, right? We break it down carefully, how we would have entered and everything, like guys, just like here, just trading knowledge here, right? Inside out, right? So, guys, today is Monday. We don't trade on Mondays because the market just opened, right? The market just opened, so we don't kind of like, I don't trade on Mondays, right? I don't trade on Mondays, right? So we just kind of like look at the market to get the market's direction, right? And guys, you have to be disciplined before you can like even be able to like even get a grip of like yourself, because you'll be like you don't trade on Mondays, but you see that kind of like opportunity and you're like, yo, so you have to like be able to kind of like get a grip of yourself, right? So, guys, without further ado, let's just get into you know the analysis, what we're expecting for the coming days, which is from tomorrow Tuesday onwards, right? Let's break down what happened today Monday and what we're anticipating or expecting for the coming days, right? Let's get into the video, guys. Let's get into it. Alright, guys. So here we have GBP, JPY, right? And as you guys can see from, if you haven't watched my previous video, I go and watch it, guys. I recommend that you go watch it because I break down, what you are seeing, these rectangles and everything, like what we are like expecting for the week, right? And guys, today being Monday, right? We had market opened yesterday, Sunday, and give us this huge drop to the downside, right? Give us this huge drop to the downside. So right now, guys, yesterday we were expecting war, either price war, price breaks and comes back, and war continues, right? And that's what I think is kind of like cooking right now. Or you are also looking at either price war breaking above, retesting the zone, and voila, going up. But it looks like that is not kind of like setting on happening, right? So, guys, you can see price came up from this, right? It broke this previous low, um lower low, right? And give us this new lower low. So we have our lower high, lower low. So this is our potential in progress lower high, right? If price breaks this lower low, right? So, guys, what we are expecting or what I'm anticipating for the coming days, right? Subsequent days is well a retest to this zone area of interest, so that we can well be able to kind of like get an opportunity for a trade here, right? And sell to the downside, right? And sell to the downside, right? So, guys, that's what I'm looking out for on uh GJ. You can see we are on the 1 hour, right? We day trade here, guys, so we don't kind of like do too much, right? On the 4 hour, you can see we are bullish. We are still bullish on the 4 hour. That's why I said we'll have to break, right? We'll have to break this previous higher low, right? So when we break it and we come back and retest, and we will enter a sell here and to the downside, right? So that's what we are looking out for on what UJ, guys. No, sorry, GJ. We'll be getting into GJ in some few seconds, right? So, guys, this is it. This is what we are anticipating. This is what I'm anticipating for GJ in the coming days, right? Today is Monday, And this is what the analysis I'm expecting for GJ. If it happens, fine, you have an opportunity to enter a trade, and yeah, you're good. If it doesn't, it's all good. What we wait for what the next opportunity. We don't rush things, right? Because the market didn't give us what we were expecting doesn't mean that we should what just jump the gun, right? So this was also something we were also anticipating but didn't happen, right? So we're going to cancel this out. So what we're expecting if price gives to us, right, is this. We test to this area of interest and boom, we sell, right? Let's head into my next boy, UJ, right? Same here on UJ, same here on UJ, guys. And guys, with UJ, yesterday, I was either price war, either price, either price breaks above this, retest this zone so that we can get a buy here. You can get a buy and sell to the upside, right? But that didn't happen, right? And we were also looking out for what price to break this previous lower low, right? So that you get what a retest into this area of interest, so that we'll be able to sell, right? Either we get a retest at this area of interest, or we get a retest at this area of interest, right? Just when we get our confirmations and everything lined up, we are going for the trade, right, guys? Just that we have to get our confirmation, whether if it's we get 3 or more confirmations at this area of interest, right? We are what entering. If you also get 3 or more confirmations, right, at this area of interest, we are also entering, right? So it right now, price didn't break this lower low. It didn't break it. It just came to just play around it and came back to this zone. So we are expecting what a full break. All right, let me clear this first. Let me take it out so you guys can see. We are expecting. I'm expecting a full break, something like this, right? And either we get a retest here, right, a retest here, or a retest here, right, a retest back to this zone. But that is less likely to happen. So more of what I'll be looking for, right, will be a retest here at this zone, right, here at this zone, here. If you get 3 or more, we are jumping in, right? If price had break, if price had break this zone, right, and had come to retest this level, we would have entered. So right now, price is just kind of like ranging between the lower high and the lower low here. You can see price is ranging, right? With UG, you can see price is just ranging, right? So that's what we are kind of like looking out for, right? We don't want to like rush things. So right now, it's either price breaks, either price breaks above, comes back to retest, you get a buy, or or price breaks below retest, and we get a sell. We get a sell, right? So yeah, guys, that's what I'm looking out for. That's what I'm looking out for. So yeah, guys, you guys saw what I'm anticipating, what I'm expecting for what both pairs, right? No pressure. I'm just kind of like patient right now. If you get our setups, fine. We enter, I enter, I execute the trade. If I don't get it, then what? Then wait for the next opportunity. We don't rush it, right? Patience is one of the most important things here in this game. You don't have to rush it at all, right? So as I said, if I get my setup and I get my confirmations, which is 3 plus 3 or more, I'm executing. If I don't, then I'm not executing, right? So guys, If you really enjoy this video and you're still here, guys, please subscribe, that hit that subscribe button, hit it, subscribe to the channel, subscribe. And if you really found this content helpful anyway, please hit the thumbs up so that this video can be recommended to others, right? If there's any idea or anything you have in your mind you want to talk about, you want to share, put in the comment section, right? It's love from day one, right? Peace out.